Hello, Karen. We're here in the cellar at Domaine Uma, and we're here to present my favorite, Uma Rose Rouge 2021.
That's my favorite as well. I've been making this type of wine for several years because I believe in the south of France we need an alternative. We have pale rosé, of course, which is a fabulous aperitif wine, but it's very discreet rosé. The aromas and the flavors are very discreet. Here in summer, when it's very hot, it's sometimes quite difficult to drink red wine because it's very intense and tannic. And I started making this type of wine as an alternative. So it's like a rosé, however, with more aromas and more structure and some tannin. So it makes it more adapted to food.
And what are the grapes variety?
This is 100% Sanso, which is a Mediterranean grape variety and which grows very well in the south of France. It's a variety from the south of France.
And how is it aged?
It's just aged in tank. However, what's different with this wine as opposed to a regular rosé is it's had contact with skins for 48 hours. That's why it has so much more color than our pale rosé, which we separate from skins immediately.
Yeah, it has a really gorgeous fuchsia color that comes out really well in this bottle.
Yes, and also I haven't added any sulfur at any moment, so it's without sulfites. And that preserves the color as well, because sulfites in a rosé actually gives a little salmony touch, and this, we have no salmon touch. It's really a bright fuchsia color.
Well, let's smell it. I can smell a bit of caramel.
Yes, yeah. It's it does have caramel notes. What I smell very intensely is wild strawberry, raspberry, and also hibiscus.
Interesting.
Hibiscus flowers.
Let's try it. And what do you drink that with?
Summer barbecues in the south of France.
Is wine meant to be shared with friends?
Absolutely. And it also works well with desserts, which is sometimes quite difficult to match wine and desserts, dry wines in any case, and this is a dry wine. But it has such intense fruit that we can have that with a strawberry tart, for example, or I can see that with rhubarb. I love rhubarb, and the flavors, those hibiscus flavors, match very well with rhubarb.
So it's a wine for all occasions.
All occasions.
Cheers.
Cheers.